Hello everybody, welcome to astraeakeva. I'm AO. This is day number 244 of my 365 days of art, and a very short video today. I just decided to do a sketch. You'll notice that when I'm usually busy with my other work, I will tend to not spend so much time doing longer work. So that's why in today's video I'm just sketching and having a rough outline for my original character. I named him Dominic. I don't know what to name the characters. I just give them whatever name that pops into my head. But yeah, I hope to paint this character soon. There are a few other sketches that I have that I have not touched or painted, so I might go back to those and finish off my painting for those particular sketches. But anyway, that is all for today's video. I will see you guys in tomorrow's video, and hopefully soon I'll be finishing my 365 days of art. It's almost a little bit more than 3 months left, so yeah, 4 months, so a little less than 4 months left. So that is all for today's video. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day everybody. Bye bye.